World Book Day is nearly here, so we have come up with a really simple no-sew costume to take the stress out of dressing up. We have got a wolf dressed as a granny. We've got a wolf's nose, some granny specs, and a granny bonnet with wolf ears. Keep watching and we'll show you how to make it.
You will need black and grey felt, a fat quarter of white fabric, some lace trim, grey duct tape, craft glue, pipe cleaners, thin elastic and an empty yoghurt pot. Start by cutting some wolf ear shapes from grey felt. Then trim the top of a yoghurt pot and cut the remaining felt to fit roughly around the yoghurt pot with a bit of an overlap. Add glue all over the yoghurt pot and wrap the felt around it. Trim off the folds, cut tabs into the overlap, fold in and glue down. Cut a little black nose and glue to the front of the snout. Then add elastic to each side with a needle. Check the fit on your child and tie to secure. For the grandma's hat, cut a circle of white cotton measuring about 40 centimetres wide. To do this, we tied string to a pencil, held the end secure in the centre of the fabric, then drew a circle all the way around the edge. You'll then need to make another circle about 6 centimetres in from the edge. Make sure to hold the pencil straight for an even line. Sew a wide running stitch of elastic along this pencil line. Pull the ends of the elastic so that the fabric bunches up. Check the fit, then tie the ends of the elastic to secure. Glue lace trim all the way around the edge of the hat. Glue the wolf's ears onto the hat. Remember that the fabric will stretch when put on, so put them closer together to allow for this. To make the glasses, twist a pipe cleaner into a small circle, bending some of the excess to look like the nose piece on glasses. Make another circle the same size as the first, then attach it onto the nose piece. Attach another pipe cleaner on each side, then check the fit and bend at the ear, twisting the end together. To finish, cover the glasses in duct tape using small strips.
So there we have it, a wolf disguised as a granny costume. There are loads more ideas over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub for World Book Day costumes, so make sure you check them out.